Hi, today I'm reviewing the Haruharu Wonder Dark Spot Go Away Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste time to sponsor as a video. So if that's something you're into, like, subscribe, check out my newsletter, check out the links below, or check out my Patreon community. Okay, so Haruharu, I really like this brand. I will mention quickly, they use Braille on their packaging, which is amazing. The thought to do that is wonderful. I really like that. I have some blind friends and some hearing impaired friends, and I know it's a struggle day to day just to communicate with a lot of things, so I really appreciate that. Anyway, so they call us a potent anti-hyperpigmentation vegan serum formulated with tranexamic acid and niacinamide to help with hyperpigmentation and dark spots while brightening and refining uneven skin tone and texture. And then as per the packaging, they state 1% of the brand's profits go to domestic sales to the Korean Dog Assistance Dog Association. So, very wonderful. I like that. So, I'm going to focus sometimes on brands doing good things, and I really like that. So, okay. So, let me talk about my first criteria, which is packaging. I already mentioned the Braille, which I like and appreciate. I wonder how much that says. You know what I mean? Like, does this describe everything? I don't know. Maybe it just says the name. I have no idea. Otherwise, we've got an airless pump bottle, which is very nice. Makes it very easy to dispense. It also has the expiration date on the bottom, which I love. Especially when you're going through all of your skincare stuff, it's nice to have the date on there. Especially when you have too much. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no real noticeable scent to it. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so again, no issues with that. So ease of use, so they recommend after cleansing and toning, applying a moderate amount and gently massaging to aid absorption. It's got a wonderful gel texture. I absolutely love the texture of this stuff. Look at that. It is wonderful. A little bit goes a long way. I just love I love gel textures of products. It just makes it so much easier to use and smooth over skin and things like that. So anyway, so I love it. A little bit goes a long way. So they recommend using it after serums. No, so I recommend applying this one. I recommend applying your other serums, this one in the middle, and then moisturizers after this. It does have a moderately thicker texture, so if you've got a lot of serums that are liquidy or water-based or very liquidy, apply those first, then apply this, then your moisturizers. They say if sensitivity doesn't occur, you can use it twice a day, but for me, I just personally recommend using this one at night and then in the daytime focusing on vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, and then using something like this to help brighten it up at night. For me, I think that makes more sense, but for some reason, if you can make this work with ascorbic acid in your morning routine, go for it. Nothing wrong with that. Wonderful texture, plays well with other products, no pilling issues. I have used this in my morning routine and evening routine, and it fit in quite nicely with both, and it's really easy. Once it soaks in, it sets to a slightly radiant finish that is non-tacky, or slightly tacky, but not terribly so. So, wonderful texture, very easy to use, love it. Good on all those accounts. So, let me talk about the ingredients in here. So for the stars of the show, they gave us percentages for a few of them. We've got 4% niacinamide, anti-acne skin brightening ingredient. We've got 4% tranexamic acid, another skin brightening amino acid. It works to help fade hyperpigmentation. It also helps fade the appearance of acne scars. It's a pretty friendly ingredient for most skin types. Tends to play well with other ingredients and actives, so it's a really nice ingredient. It also works well with vitamin C, so if you want to add it to your morning routine, go for it. Next up, we've got pear fruit extract, a skin conditioning ingredient. It's also a good source of flavonoids, triterpenoids, and phenolic acid compounds such as arbutin. Pears have been researched for their ability also to protect people from COVID-19. A ton. If you Google it on PubMed, lots of research about it. So, I guess you would have to eat them or something. I mean, you can't just put on your skin. You probably have to eat them. Pears are good, though. They just go bad fast. So, I got a juicer and I juiced some pears. It was really tasty. Okay, we've got Madecassoside, antioxidant soothing ingredient derived from cell. It's got anti-inflammatory properties as well as anti-aging. It's been found to help inhibit UV-induced melanin synthesis. We've got Centella, antioxidant, skin soothing. We've got Asiaticoside, derived from Centella. It's wound healing, skin soothing. And some studies show it may also help with collagen synthesis in skin. We've got ascorbic acid, vitamin C, antioxidant, skin protecting, skin brightening. Probably not a whole lot of it, but it's in there. Asiatic acid, Centella derived with wound healing properties. Madecassic acid, skin regenerating, wound healing. And then finally, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, vitamin C derivative that may help with acne as well as function as an antioxidant. So really nice ingredient list. I've got a little bit of vitamin C in there. Probably not a whole ton, but a little bit. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free and vegan, so no issues at all with that. Okay, in terms of performance, I really like this one. In terms of the promises it makes, it promises to help with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, while brightening and refining uneven skin tone and texture. That's what it promises to do. I would agree that the serum delivers on most of those accounts. I do believe it helps brighten up my skin and helps with melasma and hyperpigmentation. In my opinion, this helps with newer dark spots better. A lot of stubborn old dark spots need something much stronger sometimes, and sometimes with more higher percentages and more frequency. So I think this helps for newer hyperpigmentation, for super old hyperpigmentation. I think there's probably going to be other products that are a little bit better, but there's nothing wrong with trying this out. I also appreciate the soothing ingredients that they've added into here. I really like that. It will help with most discolorations. Definitely is not going to hurt, but sometimes more stubborn requires a little bit stronger things and different things. So nothing wrong with that at all. What's nice about the serum is it's wonderful for all skin types. It's great for acne-prone skin types. There's no acneogenic ingredients of note. No scent, so it's also friendly for sensitive skin for the most part. And then gel texture makes it great for dry and oily skin types. So it's got it all going on there, and I really think they did a pretty good job with it. Better yet, in terms of the price, so this is the full size, 30 milliliters, 1 ounce, and it retails for $15. So it's not a big investment. It's pretty affordable. And then check it out on Yes Style. It'll be on sale frequently, I have a feeling, because these brands will be regular price and they'll be on sale for a week, then they'll be regular, then they'll be on sale for 3 weeks. Anyway. Okay, last but not least, it's not a must-have, but it's a very nice product. There's probably going to be tons of dupes for this. There's a lot of serums out there that are focused on the niacinamide tranexamic acid duo. So, but it's still pretty affordable. It's a nice serum. It's gentle enough that it doesn't irritate skin, but also contains some nice antioxidants and brightening ingredients. It's not super revolutionary, but it's nice. It's worth checking out because it's rather affordable, and it's friendly for pretty much all the skin types. So I really like it for that. So, okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 9. It's really lovely, really wonderful. Nothing mind-blowing, but overall just a good formulated brightening serum. So, anyway, interested in hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are. Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.